Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goal and the calorie goal on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the activity, or rather list of widgets, and one of them, the first one, should be the activity widget. Once you find the activity widget, tap on it. Here scroll down, and at the bottom you will see the button called Set Targets. Tap on it. And here we have the steps target, the calories target, and also the time target. First let's tap on the motion, so steps target. Tap on steps, and we can adjust the step target by swiping up and down. Then tap on done. You can also adjust the floors if you like to, and the active hours. Then you can swipe right to go back. Oh, no, never mind. We can select one of those. So we can select either steps, floors, or active hours. I'm gonna select steps and then apply them. Then we have the time, and here we can select the active time, exercise, or raised heart rate activity. You can select one of those, then tap on the option you like and adjust it and swipe right. And finally we have the calories. You can tap on it, and we have activity calories or exercise calories. I'm gonna select the activity ones, adjust it, and then tap done. You can also select the exercise if you prefer that. And once you adjust your goals, you can swipe right, and if you scroll up, you will see that your goals are adjusted. And that's how you change the goals for the steps and the calories on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.